Anyway, trying a new recipe today on the smoker. It's called Smokehaus Meatloaf. 2.5 pounds of ground beef, 80-20 ground beef, a pound of breakfast sausage, and I happen to use a hot Tennessee Pride. And it's got onions, bell peppers, and a half-pound of cheese. And instead of ketchup, I'm using a Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Anyway, it's cooking it at 375. Should take about an hour, 15, hour and 30 minutes. And I'm about 30 or 45 minutes from now, I'm going to stick on 4 ears of sweet corn and roast them in the husk for about 45 minutes at 375. Anyway, here's what it looks like so far. It's only been in there for 10-15 minutes, but you already see the juices are running. So I said about an hour, hour and a half, hour 15, hour and a half. Okay, just added 4 ears of corn to roast up, and the meatloaf is cooking. We've still got about 20 degrees or so to go. That's looking good there. That's looking real good. Here's the final product. Just waiting on the corn. We're going to pull it off here in a couple of minutes and bring it in. But that looks good. Anyway, I can't wait to dig into it.